Two-tier table. Equipped with a tabletop as well as a lower shelf for additional storage, the table offers plenty of room to set snacks, plates, phones, sunglasses or anything else you like. With 4 mesh cup holders, this table will securely hold any drink. Carrying bag included. With a carrying bag conveniently included, this travel-friendly table folds down and stores compactly for easy cleanup and portability. Lightweight and durable. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, this easy-to-assemble table is conveniently lightweight yet durable enough that each of the 2 tiers can hold up to 20 pounds, making it an excellent accessory for any outdoor enthusiast. Versatile outdoor use. This camp table is perfect for holding snacks, drinks, and personal items anywhere you go. It's great for picnics, days at the beach or park, camping, hiking and backpacking, bonfires, sporting events, tailgating, and more. Product details. Materials: 600D Oxford and steel tube. Table dimensions. Diameter 28 x, height 24. Carrying bag dimensions: W 29 x, H 16 inches. Weighs 5.5 pounds. Each tier holds up to 20 pounds. Carrying bag included. Color: blue. Top reviews from the United States. One of my favorites. I've had this table for a couple of months now, and it's one of my favorite camping additions. I don't know why it took me so long to buy a table like this. It has made camping and outdoor parties way more of a breeze. I can't stand stuff being on the ground, and that's where lots of my stuff would end up, especially after a bunch of beers. The lower rack is a great storage spot. Top table has a good amount of room. Very well put together and surprisingly sturdy. Folds up and unpacks easily with no issues. Carrying bag seems like it'll last as long as the table.